take a look what it's in there.
Rubik's Cube.
It's a Rubik's Cube. I want you to do this Rubik's Cube blindfolded.
What?
Moving so fast.
No,
What?
they were not a fast count.
Okay, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Yusuf, assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Alright, Yusuf. We are here to compete to see who is going to solve the Rubik's Cube first. Abuji is going to win, right?
No.
No, you want to win? Well, not you want to. I mean, let's see who is faster. Start?
Yeah.
Inshallah, Bismillah. Let's start. Yusuf.
Okay.
Hey man, I'm winning. Go fast. Let's see who's going to beat who.
Done.
What? You're done? Man, look, I still have to do something. You done all the sides?
Yeah. You're not done with the second step?
Okay, okay. Don't make fun of me, okay? You know, is it something to do with your glasses?
No.
No, maybe I should have glasses like that. I'm not sure. What is this? I don't know what happened now.
Oh, yeah, you're gonna win.
And I
Wow.
got it. Alhamdulillah. Alright, how about for the next challenge, Yusuf? Are you ready for it?
Is this the challenge?
Well, that's a baby challenge because, you know, it's a child's play. Anyone can do this, right?
No, not anyone.
Yeah, not anyone, you know. Not many people can do it. Let's put this aside. I have something special in here for you. What do you think it's in here?
Food, maybe?
Food? You're hungry? No, it's not food. There's no chicken, samosa, biryani, or noodles, whatever you like. No, it's not food. Let's take a look what it's in there.
Rubik's Cube.
It's a Rubik's Cube. I want you to do this Rubik's Cube blindfolded.
What?
Yes. I know you can do it. MashaAllah, you have talent. How old are you, Yusuf?
7?
70. No, 7, right? MashaAllah.
Yeah.
How many combinations do you think are possible in here to solve it?
More than 43 quintillion?
43 quintillion. That's like a lot of zeros out there, correct?
Yeah.
43. What I want you to do, Yusuf, take a look at it, study it, and I want you to complete it. All right?
Blindfolded?
Blindfolded, yes. Just take a look at it first. And yes. All right. Ready, set, and go. The timer starts, inshallah. Oh yeah, close your eyes. Look the other way. All right. What I will do, Yusuf, I'm going to put something on you, okay? Is that fine?
Yeah.
All right, Yusuf. Man, you're moving so fast. You know, my eyes are getting dizzy, man. I cannot see. All right.
Done.
All right. MashaAllah, you did. Right? Alhamdulillah, all the 6 eyes are done. It took you what? Maybe about a few seconds, right?
Maybe
Less than
like
a minute.
25 or 30.
25 to 30 seconds. How long have you been doing this? Like, you know, 10 million years?
No.
No? How
Only
long?
2 months.
2 months. Yusuf, there may be many kids, many families, many youth may be watching this video. They may be saying, you know, how can this boy, mashallah, only 7 years of age, where did you learn this from? To first to solve it and then to do it blindfolded.
You.
From me? Well, I mean, I taught you how to solve it, but I cannot do blindfolded yet. But inshallah, once I start doing it, I want to compete with you, right? Inshallah.
Yeah.
Then we can have a real competition. Blindfolded Rubik's Cube solving competition. Yusuf, what message would you have for the other kids? Why they should do this? Why they should be staying away from the gadgets and play and do many good activities?
Because if you're on the gadgets, your eyes will get blurry, then you won't get gadgets anymore, and you won't get to do anything.
Yeah, you're right. Allah has given the blessing of our eyesight, our health, wonderful families, our parents. It's important we should not abuse our eyesight or anything Allah has given and use it wisely.